Good afternoon, grade 10s. So today we're doing what we call products. So on our products, we'll be doing what we call the multiplying of monomial and binomials, multiplying two binomials, multiplying a binomial and a trinomial. All right, let's start here. Let's say 1, expand the following product. The first one that we have is 2y into y plus 4. So how do we expand this? This is very easy. The first thing that I do is I take this and then I multiply it with this. This is number one. The second thing is I take the same thing and multiply it with the second term. So that would mean that I'm going to have 2y multiplied by y. I'm going to have 2y squared. Positive 2y multiplied by positive 4, it's positive 8y. I hope that makes sense. Let's go to B here. It's not bad, it's just that it needs practice, guys. So that means I'm going to have y plus 5 and y plus 2. So my first thing is here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So let's go. Y multiplied by y, it's y squared. Y multiplied by positive 2, it's positive 2y. Positive 5 multiplied by positive y, it's positive 5y. Positive 5 multiplied by 2, it's positive 10. And if you're looking at this and this, these are your like terms. So that would mean I'm going to have y squared plus 7y plus 10. There is my final solution. I hope that makes sense. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and following me for more examples. All right, let's see. Let's say we have 2 minus t and 1 minus 2t. So it's going to be this multiplied by this. It's 2. Positive 2 multiplied by minus 2t. It's minus 4t. Minus t multiplied by 1, it's minus t. Minus t multiplied by minus 2t, it's plus 2t squared. And then this and this, it's my like terms. So this and this, I'm going to have a minus 5t plus 2t squared. I hope this makes sense. Let's go to D. So in D, I'm going to have my x minus 4 into x plus 4. So that would mean I'm going to have x multiplied by x, it's x squared. X multiplied by positive 4, it's positive 4x. Minus 4 multiplied by x, it's minus 4x. Minus 4 multiplied by positive 4, it's minus 16. This will be x squared. This and this cancels, it's minus 16. I hope we're still following, guys. And then we have E here. It's very easy, it's just that it needs lots of practice. Let's say I have minus into 4 minus x plus 4. This will be, you keep the minus outside and then you keep the brackets because this minus affect everything. This 4 multiplied by x, it's 4x. 4 multiplied by 4, it's positive 16. Minus x times x, it's minus x squared. Minus x times positive 4, it's minus 4x. All right, so this and this cancels. Then I'm going to have minus into positive 16 minus x squared minus times this, it's the same as minus 16. Negative times negative x squared, it's positive x squared. There is my final solution, which is, if I want, I can put it in order. Difference of two squares. You'll see that when we start factorization. I hope this makes sense to everyone. What if now you have this s plus 6 squared? So the first thing that we need to do here is to expand this. So we are told that this is the whole thing squared. So if I have 2 squared, it's the same thing as 2 multiplied by 2. So I'm just repeating this number. I multiply with the same number. I hope that makes sense. So that will mean here I'm going to have s plus 6 and s plus 6, which is x times s, x squared, s times 6, it's plus 6s, 6 times s, it's plus 6s, positive 6 times positive 6, it's 36, which is, I have s squared plus 12s plus 36. That is my final solution. I hope that makes sense to everyone. It's not bad, it's just that it needs a lot of practice. If you could practice this, trust me, you won't get it wrong. Let's see. Let's go for G here and see what else can we do. I'm trying to see, can't we get a different thing so that we could do? What if you have something of this nature? 2y to the power 6 plus 3y to the power 5 minus 5y minus 12. So this is the same as this multiplied by this. It's minus 10 y to the power 7, because it's positive 2 times negative 5. It's minus 10 y to the power 6 times y. There's a 1 here, there's a ghost of 1. So the bases are the same. They're going to add each other. And then positive 2 y to the power 6 multiplied by minus 12. That's minus 24 y to the power 6. Positive 3y to the power 5 multiplied by minus 5y. That's minus 15y to the power 6. 3y to the power 3 multiplied by y to the power 5 multiplied by minus 12. That's minus 36. That's minus 36. Come on. That's minus 36y to the power 6. All right. Okay. So let's collect the like terms, this and this, meaning I'm going to have 10y to the power 7, minus 24 and minus 15. So that's like 39 minus 39 y to the power 6 minus. All right. This is to the power 5. My bad here. It's to the power 5 because it's 3y to the power 5 multiplied minus 12. Hence, we have this. So that means 36y to the power 5. I hope that makes sense to everyone. So that's how we do product. It's very easy. Let's say maybe we advance it. What if you have something of this nature? It's 3x plus 2. Say you have 3 brackets. This and this. All right, it's 3x multiplied by 3x. So keep this one as it is. It's going to be 9x squared. 3x multiplied by minus 2, it's minus 6x. Positive 2 multiplied by 3x, positive 6x. Positive 2 multiplied by minus 2, it's minus 4. And then you keep this into brackets. So that means this and this are like terms. So you're going to have 9x squared. This cancels, so you have minus 4. And this, you're going to have this. All right? and then we say, okay, 9x squared multiplied by 9x squared, that's 81 x to the power 4. This multiplied by this, that's 36, so that's minus 36x squared. And this times this, it's minus 36 x squared. Minus 4 times minus 4, it's positive 16, which is 81 x to the power 4. 36 plus 36, that's minus 72 x squared plus 16. There is my final. So that's how we do it, returns the products. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow the other stuff that we're going to do after this, which is factorization. Thank you very much. So I would love to end it here.